Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to discuss 3 things that you can do to get more out of your NymoLabs CNC machine. What do I mean by that? Well, let's take a look at the NymoLabs machines and I'll explain. This is the NBX 5040. You'll notice at a glance that it uses NEMA 23 stepper motors, which give it a lot more torque than the little NEMA 17s that a lot of the machines this size have. And it has a variable speed trim router for a spindle. Here is the NBS 6040, and you can see that it also has NEMA 23s and a trim router. Both of these machines come with a beginner set of 1/8 inch bits and a 1/8 inch ER11 collet. These little beginner bit sets are great for getting started, but you'll soon want to up your CNC game and get a 1/4 inch ER11 collet so that you can run a much better quality bit. Here is a small sample of some of the bits I run on my NymoLabs CNC machines. The 3 bits on the far left are some tapered ball nose bits from Amana. The 4 bits to the right of those are from Cadence Manufacturing and Design, which are my personal favorite bits to run. The 1 bit to the right of those is an upcut bit from CMT. The next 2 bits are a 1/4 inch upcut bit and a 1/8 inch downcut bit from Whiteside. And finally on the far right is a 1/8 inch bit from Yanico, and it has a longer cutting length. You'll notice the common theme here is no matter what the diameter of the bit, the shanks are all 1/4 inch. The second thing you can do to get more out of your CNC is to invest in a quality CAD CAM package. I've been using Vectrix VCAR Pro for nearly 20 years, but there are several good ones to choose from, like Easel and Carveco Maker. Some people use Fusion 360 from Autodesk, but I found that to be a little bit overkill for the CNC hobbyist. Most all of these have a free trial you can download and use to test drive and kick the tires. Be sure you take a look and make sure that the software will do everything you want it to do before you purchase or get locked in with the subscription. Once you decide on the software, dedicate the time to learn the software so that you can create anything you want to instead of always buying files that someone else created. It will make running your CNC so much more enjoyable. And for those of you who want to run the free software, just remember there's a good reason why it's free. It's always lacking all the cool features that the paid versions have. Also, don't be tempted to buy some pirated software from someone who stole it. In my book, if you knowingly purchase from a thief, that makes you a thief too. Okay, now we're up to number 3. The third thing that you can do to get more out of your NymoLabs CNC is once you're confident in running your machine, don't be afraid to tweak some of the Gerber settings to make it run more efficiently. The default Gerber settings are pretty conservative, and that's good for someone that's new to CNC. But once you're comfortable running the machine, you'll want to change some settings to make it run faster to reduce program cycle times, and the NymoLabs machines are solid enough to handle these faster feeds and speeds. In this video clip, I'm changing the max rate for the X, Y, Z, and A axis, as well as the acceleration rate for the X, Y, Z, and A axis. If anyone is interested, I'll have a link down below to a PDF file of the Gerber settings I use with my NymoLabs CNC machines. Don't worry if you mess up changing the settings and you need to start again. You can go to the last page in the settings menu and hit Reset All as I'm showing here. Okay, so there you have it. Those are my top 3 things you can do to get more out of your NymoLabs CNC machine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. If you're interested in checking out a NymoLabs machine, I'll have their website linked down below, which includes a very nice discount for anything you purchase from their site. Also, be on the lookout for a new CNC Q&A live stream I'll be doing starting in September. I'll be doing live demonstrations, CNC projects, and answering your beginner CNC questions. I hope to see you there. And until the next one, thank you very much for watching.